Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our next tutorial and our training classes will be on measurement, how to take the body measurement, how to use it, where to use it, and how to make a perfect measurement so that you can get a perfect clothes. First of all, when you are going for measurement, you have to measure so many parts of the body depending on what you are sewing and what you want to use. What you want to use and what you want to do depends on the amount of measurement you want. You have to take but we are taking the whole body measurement, and when you are doing it, then you can take what you want to do. Like for instance, if you are doing blouse, you take the measurement of blouse. If you are doing skirt, you take the measurement of a skirt or trouser, and so if it is gown, you take the full measurement of a gown, and so on. Now we have to take the whole body measurement in our this class. Okay, please subscribe and follow to our subsequent classes for that information. First of all, when taking measurement, let's start with the blouse first, the upper part. What we want to take first is the blouse length. That's the blouse length. When we say blouse length, the length of the blouse you want to take. Firstly, the blouse length should be, if you want to take blouse length, you have to take it from the shoulder here, just from here like this. You take the shoulder to the blouse length. For instance, first you place your tape from here up. You place it to the shoulder length, the length of the blouse, to the blouse length you want to measure. Then you use to take notification. You take biro and paper to write down what you have taken. So if you write blouse length, the blouse length should be from here like this to here. That's the blouse length. This is blouse length. After taking blouse length, the next thing you should take is what? After blouse length, you take the neck depth. The neck depth is what? Neck depth means how to cut the neck, how depth the neck will be cut. Then you have to take the measurement depending on the type of neck you are sewing. For this one, you place your tape here on top of your shoulder and measure the neck depth. For instance, this one for this neck is 7. Then this is the neck depth. From here to here is the neck depth. That's 7. And if you don't want it to be like that, you can cut. If it is up neck, you can cut here. You can measure if it is that deep, depending on how depth you have to measure it. The front neck depth and the back neck depth. From the shoulder to the depth you are taking. That's how you take the neck depth. The next thing you are taking is the shoulder length. The shoulder. When measuring shoulder, you have to measure like this, from this angle to this angle. From your hand, the first hand to the other hand, you measure it like this. This is the neck depth. This is the shoulder length. From here, from beginning of here to here, that's what the shoulder. When I say shoulder, that's what I mean to measure the shoulder. The next thing we are taking for the longitudinal this measurement, the second thing is what? Shoulder to under bust. That means when you are taking shoulder to under bust, means from the shoulder as it says to the under bust. This is the under bust. Under bust. When especially you are using this when you are cutting first cut, then you have to use this one. This is shoulder to under bust. From shoulder to here, that's shoulder to under bust. Then we have shoulder to bust point. That's from here to here. That's shoulder to bust point. Here, shoulder to under bust, then shoulder to bust point, and we have shoulder to waist. That's waist the middle or the waist of your waist of your blouse. That's shoulder from here to waist. This is shoulder to waist. After shoulder to waist, the next measurement you are taking for blouse is what? Shoulder to hips. From here to here. You see, from here to here. That's the hips. Shoulder, from shoulder to the hips. That's it. Then we have the next measurement we have is what? Shoulder to the above knee. That's it. If you are, especially when you are cutting like a short gown like this, that's you need shoulder to above knee like this. Above the knee, not to the knee. Shoulder to above knee. This is for the what? The straight measurement. And we have what? To take round of the blouse measurement. After taking it, we have for round, we have round upper bust. This is the upper bust. Then when you are taking it, you have to take the round upper bust. For instance, when taking round upper bust, this is round upper bust. You place your tape from the back round to the upper bust for here. This is round upper bust. Then we have what? After round upper bust, you measure the round bust. You place your tape to the bust, round bust. This is here. Measure it from the back. You run it towards the bust. This is round bust. And when make sure you from the beginning you place your tape to where it stops. That's the round bust. And avoid putting your finger so that you cannot add to the round bust measurement. Then after round bust, you have to measure the round under bust. After round under bust, that's the under bust. You have to measure the round here. This is round upper bust, round bust, round under bust. Then round. Then you have to what? Measure the what? Round blouse waist. For instance, you have the waist here. After the under bust, this is the round waist. This is round waist. Round immediately after the under bust, then it's round waist. After round waist, then what you want to take is the span. The span is from here to here. This is what we call span. That's what we call nipple to nipple. That's the span. From here, I place it. That's the span. This is for what? This is for blouse. We have taken the blouse length, everything, the length, shoulder to bust point, shoulder to under bust, shoulder to waist and all. Now for the round, we have taken the round upper bust, round under bust, and round waist. Then we have the slip measurement. The slip measurement is the measurement of the hand from the shoulder here. You measure the hand. When you are doing long hand, you measure the full hand to here. When it's short, you measure, like for instance, you measure from here the shoulder to what? Where the slip will stay. You want to stay the lips. That's for here. If it is short like this, or to here, it depends on that. You have to take the what? The slip length. That's for the thing. For the slip length. For the now we are done with what? With blouse. This is the full measurement of the blouse. After taking the slip length, then you take the what? Round slip. The round slip, you are taking the round slip of here. That's A. You have to take the round slip so that you know what the round you want to when cutting hand, and you have to take here if it is long, so that because there is different from here and here, or this is round sleeve A, this is round sleeve B, from if the hand will reach here. Where you place the hand, this is the arm part. You take the round skirt length. The next thing you take what is we have what we call we have round skirt waist, round hips and waist above knee. After taking the this is the full skirt length, then we have what waist to above knee. This is from where the skirt start to above knee. This is where the shape of skirt from when you are doing short skirt. This is what from here to here. This is waist to above knee. Then after waist to above knee, what you measure is what the round hips. The round hips, you place your tip around the hips like this. Round hips, this is here. You take it round. As for the round bust, this is round hips. Then round waist. Round waist is a bit upper than the waist where the skirt was. This is round skirt hip waist. This is round skirt waist. This is round hips. Go down round the hips, and this is round skirt waist. This is round hips. That's for this thing. That's for the skirt. And when you want to, you can even measure the round knee, so that you know how balanced the skirt will be. You measure the round knee. When measuring the round knee, you have to at least cross your leg a little bit. Just make one of your legs just move a little bit forward because of the walking. That's for this one. Yes, for like the way she did now. Then you take the round knee like this. That's here. Just to the knee. Just a little bit forward. Then you take the round knee. That's for the round knee. That's all for the skirt measurement. And when you are doing full length or a gown, you will take the full gown length or a 3/4 gown. You have to take the, for instance, this is from shoulder to what full length. That's the full length. That's for gown. From shoulder to the full. This is full length. Then after full length, you can even take 3/4 length. 3/4 length is from the shoulder to what? To under knee, not to the knee, just some inches under the knee. This is what you call 3/4 length. And this is shoulder, and there is even shoulder to above knee. That's from here to here. That's we are done. This is the full body measurement, and all what you will be sewing is based on these measurements. This is the full body measurement for waist, for this blouse, for the skirt, for the gown. This is all what we do for measurement. Thank you all for listening.